Hey friends, Easter 2025 is right around the corner, and I'm here to help you take your home decor to the next level. Whether you're all about tradition or you're into those modern minimalist vibes, there's something for everyone this year. Let's dive into the top Easter trends that'll turn your space into a springtime sanctuary. First up, sustainability is huge. Think biodegradable eggs, upcycled wreaths, and greenery like eucalyptus or potted herbs. Beautiful, eco-friendly, and right on trend. Shop local for artisan pieces, or better yet, get crafty and DIY with the family. If you're feeling nostalgic, vintage is totally making a comeback. Dust off those antique bunny figurines, grab some pastel eggs, and maybe layer in a lace table runner for that cozy, timeless vibe. Pairing old school charm with sleek modern touches, like glass cloches or metallics, adds personality and keeps things fresh. For my minimalists, less is more. Try clean lines, muted pastels, and a statement centerpiece like a single, beautifully painted egg under glass. It's elegant, calming, and totally chic. Of course, I can't forget families. Go playful with candy-colored garlands, oversized bunny cutouts, and DIY egg painting parties. It's all about making memories and letting your creativity shine. Don't sleep on outdoor decor. Welcome guests with whimsical wreaths, string lights, and a festive porch display. Set up a backyard picnic or a garden brunch. Think cozy blankets, florals, and baskets brimming with treats. At the end of the day, Easter decor isn't just about style. It's about celebrating renewal, togetherness, and all those sweet moments you'll remember for years to come. So go ahead, mix, match, and let your home blossom with joy this Easter. Happy decorating!